Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the UV visible, especially on determination of molar absorptivity coefficient. A lab technician prepares a solution of dye with a concentration of 0.025 molar. When placed in a 2 cm path-length cuvette, the absorbance of the solution is 1.32 at wavelength of 600 nanometer. Calculate the molar absorptivity coefficient or epsilon of the dye at this wavelength. Alright, to answer this question, we are going to use the Beers-Lambert law. So in Beers-Lambert law, the formula is absorbance is equivalent to epsilon BC. So the absorbance is given to you in the question, which is 1.32. So the absorbance have no unit at all. So you were asked to calculate what is the epsilon, and the path length is 2 cm and the concentration is 0.025 molar. So in other words, we can say that the concentration is in mole per liter. Right. So your epsilon is equivalent to 1.32 divided by 2 cm times 0.025 mole per liter. Therefore, you will get your epsilon is equivalent to 2.6400 times 10 to the power of 1 liter per centimeter per mole. So this is the unit that we are looking at for your epsilon, which is the molar absorptivity coefficient. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.